Depends on whose music it is. If it's somebody else's music, it's too loud. If it's my music, turn it up. Turn it up, man. Turn it up, dude. Hey, man, is that Freedom Rock? Only a certain generation is going to understand that joke. Hey, dude, is that Freedom Rock? I'm sure you can find the Freedom Rock commercial on YouTube. Feel free to search for that to understand what I'm talking about. We'll turn it up, man. Alright. So New Year's Eve, we spent at home with the family. My wife got out her brand new air fryer that she got for Christmas. And my daughter broke out her Wolfpack album, pardon my pronunciation, Wolfpack. Wolfpack vinyl album, that is. And then we played a bunch of old fogey albums. Boogie album was Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young, Greatest Hits. Once upon a time, I used to be a DJ in college, and we took the equipment outside onto the quad, and was playing some Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young, and the song was "Sweet Judy Blue Eyes," and to hear the music echo across the quad with the harmonies. That is a memory. That is a memory. If ever you have the opportunity to go to a very echoey stairwell or very echoey kind of chamber and crank up the Sweet Judy Blue Eyes, only then can you understand what I'm talking about. All about the harmonies, it's all about the acoustic guitar, acoustic bass. Getting to the point where I'm no fun. I am sorry. Sometimes it hurts so badly I must cry. Yeah, it's not the same. It's not the same when I sing it. So badly must cry out loud. So many interwoven harmonies with CSN. You don't know where the melody is. You don't know how to sing it by yourself.